The video, if you're broke and lazy and you don't know what to do, go to YouTube and then type in water sound. And as you can see, all of these videos are making millions and millions of views. These type of videos are literally making thousands of dollars per month and millions of dollars per year. How can you do the same? Let me show you how. Go to this website and then in the search bar, look up water and choose a video, any one of these where we can use the water sounds for example, this one right here. Next, we're gonna go to zapsplat.com and then in the search bar, we're gonna also look for water. We have over 4,000 results for water sounds. You can make a bunch of videos really fast, just like this. Pick a sound that goes really well with the video that you chose from pixabay.com. Take the video and the sound, put them together and loop them for hours and hours. To YouTube and upload the video, do the same process at least 1 to 2 times per week. You wanna know my way of making money online in a simple way where you can make 5 to 10K a month by just making videos? All you have to do is see the link in my profile.